going to begin with lesson activity 1, where students can play a rhythm echo game to become acquainted with the rhythmic motives found in Tongo. I won't talk about the lesson activity because it's clearly explained in the lesson plan. However, I will go through and demonstrate the 4 rhythmic motives that will be used in this activity. I'm going to be stomping the beat through this activity and clapping the rhythms over the top. Rhythm 1. Tim, ka ti, 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 ta. Repeat. Tim, ka ti, 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 ta. Rhythm 2. Cinco, pa, ti, ti, ta. Repeat. Cinco, pa, ti, ti, ta. Rhythm 3. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Repeat. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. And finally, rhythm 4. Tam, ti, ta. Repeating rhythm 4. Tam, ti, ta. Something interesting is going on with the 4th rhythmic motive. The last symbol on the 4th line of the examples in the lesson plan has a symbol that represents a crotchet or quarter note rest. That's a 1-beat rest. We can use an action with the rest to help students keep time. I'll just demonstrate that once more and just pay attention to where I put my action because that's where the 1-beat rest is. Rhythm 4. Tam, ti, ta. Moving to lesson activity 2, we're going to teach students the song using echo technique. The process involves introducing the beat using body percussion, modelling the song for students, providing 1 verbal teaching instruction, echo. Students will then echo back the song starting at the smallest phrase level, which we will gradually build upon until they can sing the entire song from start to finish. I'm going to demonstrate your part in this activity. Please be aware that the silences between my singing are where the students would be echoing back the last section of the song that I just sung. Introduce the beat using body percussion. Cue students to join you holding the beat. Tongo, Tongo, Jim bye bye oh. Tongo, Tongo, umbare kimba oh. Ole malikaloe. Echo. Tongo, Tongo, Jim bye bye oh. Tongo, Tongo, umbare kimbayo, ole, malikaloe. Tongo, Tongo, Jim bye bye oh. Tongo, Tongo, umbare kimbayo. Ole malikaloe. Tongo, Tongo, Jim bye bye oh. Tongo, Tongo, umbare kimbayo, ole malikaloe. Students will echo back the entire song from start to finish. At the very end, we will cue them to stop singing. Moving to lesson activity 3, we're going to perform the song as a duo, which is following the structure of the song, call and response. As you can see, or if you listen to the example that I'm about to provide, everything in the song, every phrase is echoed. It's a Polynesian echo song.
Tongo, Tongo,
Tongo, Tongo,
Jimmy bye bye,
Jimmy bye bye,
Tongo, Tongo,
Tongo, Tongo,
Umbari kimbayo,
Umbari kimbayo,
Uole,
Malikalo. The way I would teach this is to start up the beat and cue students to hold the beat throughout this activity. I would then section off half the class and I would then conduct them call, response through this activity. At the very end, you can just cue them out. Moving to lesson activity 4, we're going to experiment with different vocal sounds, timbres, tone colour, and also dynamics, loud and soft, and gradually becoming loud, crescendo, and gradually becoming soft, diminuendo. This song is a great song for this because echo is a part of the structure of the song. So you as the teacher can come up with some interesting sounds or dynamics and students can just very organically sing them back. Some of those sounds can be a nasal sound, and a good way to become familiar with that and a funny way to play with it with the students is get them to hold their nose and sing the song, and we get a nice nasal sound. Tongo, Tongo, Jimmy bye bye. And then once we get familiar with that, we can sing it with the nasal sound. We can also sing with a dark colour or a bright colour, and we can visualise the colour black, for example, and sing the song. Tongo, Tongo, Jimmy bye bye. Or we can think about the colour white and produce a lighter sound. Tongo, Tongo, Jimmy bye bye. And you can do all sorts of things. You can have a breathy sound, Tongo, Tongo, etc. With dynamics, I find that crescendos are very effective with this piece, but we can also just have some fun with some soft and louds as well. So you might want to sing the entire thing through soft and then loud, the entire song through soft and loud. You might want to sing alternate phrases, soft, then loud, soft, then loud. And of course, the students echo back exactly what you did in the previous phrase. And of course, you could gradually get louder. And I'll just give you a demonstration of what that would sound like to gradually get louder. Of course, there'll be no echo here. Tongo, Tongo, bye bye. Tongo, Tongo. Kimbayo, ole, Callaway. In lesson activity 5, students can work in groups of 4 to 6 to create a set of actions that can accompany the song. I'm going to demonstrate a set of movements that I've designed for this song. I'll also be singing both parts of the song when I demonstrate. Tongo, 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 Jim the bye bye, Jim the bye bye. Tongo, 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 umbare kimbayo, umbare kimbayo, ole, ole, Mali Callaway, Mali Callaway.